A summer in November. This is how Leyte Representative Lucy Torres-Gomez captioned on Instagram these photos taken by her daughter, Juliana. The lady lawmaker also posted this other set of photos describing her mood at the beach. She accessorized her one-piece swimsuit with a pearl necklace. Torres-Gomez is already 45 years old and a mom to a 19-year-old daughter. With her ageless beauty and slim figure, followers couldn't help but admire her. But her most liked comment came from her husband, the Ormoc Mayor, Richard Gomez.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.